Welcome, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down here. And if you got this bell button right here, turn all the way up. That way you get notified for any and every video upload, because your girl uploads daily. Plus, I go live every Tuesday and Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern time now. And I go premieres Thursday at 7. So I hope to see y'all there. Changing it up a little bit on y'all to make it a little bit more interesting. I'm trying to improve my channel as much as possible. So any suggestions, please leave them down below. Sorry, my footsie itches. Oh, my bad. So guess what today is? It is 9/11, none other than one of the most terrible days ever that hit United States of America. I still remember, I think I was 14 when it happened, and it was one of the saddest days ever. And I still want to give remembrance to all that have fallen but are not forgotten. And it's a collaboration with my girl, ELENA. Hey, if y'all do not know who I'm talking about, I will leave her link down below in the description box. But we are playing with our bling bling brushes. So excited. And I thought, being we both had the set, let's do a collaboration. And also I wanted to just toss in my contribute to 9/11 along with it. So if you would like to see what kind of look I recreate using my bling bling brushes for a full face, as you can tell, stay tuned. So you decided to stick around? Yay! Thank you so much. It absolutely means the world to me to have each and every one of y'all here. I would not be nowhere without all of y'all. Promise. So just know that y'all make a big, big impact into my life, into this channel. And I am so grateful to have y'all all here. So like I said, today marks 9/11, one of the most tragic days in history. Also, this is a collaboration with my girl, ELENA. I did not speak about the 9/11 part because we wasn't sure what day this was going to go up or film it, which I'm still not sure if this is going up for 9/11. This might go up for tomorrow or something, but whenever it goes up, just know that I'm locked and loaded, and this was my video contribute to that. Sorry. I hate when my eye itches, y'all. I have went ahead and laid my base down. Even though it's wanting to bug me now. And I'm going to do a full face using none other than my bling bling brushes. Look how gorgeous. I haven't used them yet. I can't wait. And then, of course, these are my eyeshadow brushes right here. This set literally has everything you will need for a full face. So if you did not get no other brushes than just this set, you would be good, to be honest. Yes, I have a lot of other detailed brushes and different design brushes, but you can create any look you want to using this set. And that's what I want to show y'all today. So I was thinking of something smoky, silver, because of the planes and the buildings that crashed that were smoky and silver. But I don't know which to feel like. I think I'm going to speed up my face part and then go about my eyes here and letting y'all see it. Because I had a couple of y'all tell me last night on my live, because I was reaching out for suggestions, what would y'all like to see most of, and all of y'all love the sit down how-to videos. So I want to keep them still to how-to and show y'all how I recreate a look doing that. So I will be back. I'm going to speed up my face part so we're not here 45 minutes, of course, and then I'll come back with us sitting down doing the eyes. Okay, I'm back and I've got tape on my eyes. So I figured for like a smoky silver look, best palette I had to do that with was my cremated, of course. I want the Smoke Show from ColourPop, but I don't have it. I don't have a lot of grayish palettes. So the first shade I want to go in with, like I said, I'm using my Bling Bling brushes. I'm probably just going to do one eye and then speed up the other eye, just depending on how fast this goes. I want to take something like this color right here. This would be a pretty shade to start with. That's Life Insurance. And I'm using the E13. And this is a very gorgeous palette. My sis Sadia got me this for my birthday. And I'm so grateful. Because, like, looking at it on camera doesn't look that intriguing. But once you have it in your hands, you kind of see the different dimension of shades is in the palette. Which I'm pretty sure that goes with the neutral one too. I just wasn't able to grab it up. When I like it in my collection eventually, I might try to get it. But I also heard that it ain't as good as his other palettes. So I don't know. I don't like to go off of other people's words though. Alright, so let's go in with a little darker silver. Because like I said, I want to smoke this out. I'm going to use the E14 just to kind of like keep it right up in here. Let's do Wednesday. Sorry if you hear my youngins in the background. And I want to keep this right up in here. And then bring it out just a tad. And whenever I'm doing a smoky eye, I like to angle it more like this. So I bring my lower part inwards and it kind of flares out. Sorry if y'all hear Luna Bear. She's throwing one of her tantrum tantrums. Alright, so I'm going back in with Life Insurance. Kind of airbrush this look out. Alright, now I need a packer brush. Yeah. This is the packer brush. This is, I'm using the E15. And I want to start off dark, but not too dark, and just go from there. I'm going to go in with Inherited, or whatever it's called. I'm just going to keep that right there on the waterline. And then right there at the tape. And with packer brushes, you kind of just want to like lay the product down. And then you can go in with more of a blending brush afterwards to kind of get it where you want it. To like even it out if you want to. Needless to say. See how pretty that is? And then I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I have with no more products. It just kind of like brush that top part outwards. Just like that. Now I do want to take the Inherence, which is, where are we at? Right here. And I'm bringing in just a little bit more, just on that waterline. I'm kind of using this as a liner. Just like that. And as you can see, there's a little bit of fallout, not much at all. And it's just kind of more or less with that packer brush. Now, I want to use... Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, let's use that shade. I'm going to go in with the E16. It's just like a little flat brush. It's the ones that are really good for the shimmer shade. This is like a satin shade. I'm going to lay this down right here first. And then put a shimmer on top. Just to bring back that silver gray effect. Alright, so I want to use, let's see what Paw Breaker looks like. It's more like chunky glitter. Okay, that's still pretty. Let's lay that bad boy on top. Just like so. I don't know, it just made me think of, you know, 9/11 with the airplanes and what happened, and with the buildings. Now I want to use the diamond ashes. I did wipe off that brush because the set only comes with like one flat brush. But that does not stop you at all. And then right up under the brow bone. There we go. Alright, let me show y'all what it looks like without the tape. It don't look as crazy. It's so much better without the tape. See how pretty? Now underneath my eye, I want to take and kind of wipe that off. And I'm going to go in with Wednesday first. And I'm using the E15 again. It's just like the packer brush. It's like the easiest one to get up in there. And then I want a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with Casket Ready. It's like a very muted gray. And just kind of blend that out. So we won't have too much grayness going down, because you don't want to drag too much darkness under your eye, and it will showcase any bags you might have or any sagginess and stuff like that. And being I haven't been getting enough sleep like I'm supposed to, I have all that. So I'm trying to hide it, guys. I'm trying to hide it. Let me go back in with Diamond Ashes and a little bit of Goodbye. And just bring that right here at the beginning of it. Ooh, that's so pretty. So I'm going to stop right here, go over here, speed this up, and then come back and let you see the final result. Be right back. Okay, I'm back at normal speed. Sorry for all the touch and goes, but. And yes, I do know this eye's a little bit darker than this eye. Like, looking at it. But up close, they actually look more alike than back. I don't know. I don't ever get two eyes that look the same, just saying. I'm unsymmetrical. But I like it. I wanted to do something different on my lips instead of just neutral, being I was going really smoky, muted colors for my eyes. But what do y'all think? Do you like it? And y'all, these brushes, I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm so careful with them. I'm so scared they're going to break. They're my babies. I love them two pieces. Such a great investment on really nice brushes. Like, I'm glad I got them. I don't regret it at all. At all. Just say it. Don't regret them. They're awesome. But this is kind of my contribute to 9/11 for all that have fallen. Just remember, you're never forgotten. Even years afterwards, almost 2 decades afterwards, like, you're still in our prayers and thoughts every day. And I'm sorry that everything happened the way it did. It woke America up for sure. It got really real then. But with that being said, thank you so much, Elaine, for collaborating with me. I absolutely adore you. You're phenomenal. I love your channel. I love watching her. If you do not know who she is, please go down below and grab that link and go check out my girl. She is epic, guys. Like, she does a lot of honest reviews. She does unboxings and stuff like that. And she's just recently wants to refine her channel. So she's bringing in some different content. So I'm excited to see what she brings to the table because she is very intelligent and she's just so beautiful. Like, I love her hair and she does really, really good, pretty eye makeup. So go check out my girl, show her some love, let her know where you're coming from, and see you in the next one. Bye.